How to transfer files from mobile to laptop without data cable. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can transfer files from mobile to laptop without data cable. So then to begin with, check your internet connection. First thing first, check your internet connection and then open up your Play Store. So after you open up your Play Store, in the search box type in Wi-Fi FTP server. So basically you'll have to install this particular application on your device. So tap on the install button and wait for the application to be installed. After the application is installed, click on the open button, and here what you need to do is you need to enable all of the permission, and you'll need to basically select your network. So click on the get started button in order to access all of your information, in order to get the Wi-Fi, in order to get the access. So here you have enabled it and you can see that the server is right over here. So basically you need to make sure or make a note of this server, that is FTTP 19 whatever. You can also scan the QR code if necessary. Once you make a note of this, you need to open up your laptop. After you've opened up your laptop, now you'll need to basically open up your file explorer. Now right click and then select add a network location. After that, you need to tap on the next button. Here you need to select the particular network and tap on the next button. So basically what you need to do is over here you'll need to enter in the code that I have actually asked you to remember. So you'll need to enter in the server URL. Make sure that you've entered the correct one. After that, click on the next button located right at the bottom. You can also type in the name if you want. So as you can see that your information is here. Now you can just copy it all and then paste it in the other folder. So that is basically how you can transfer data from your mobile to your laptop without a data cable. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.